I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at unboxing the Ring Video Doorbell 3 from Amazon. So I'm really excited to install this. It's a doorbell that has a built-in camera so that you can increase your security for your home. And I got the one with a removable and rechargeable battery here. It also allows you to view the camera live. It has night vision, and you can get 1080p, which is a full HD video out of it. And they say it's weather resistant, so you can install it. Mine's under a little overhang, but I'm going to install it outside my door. So let's go ahead and I'm going to open this up. Okay, so I just took the seal off the top. Let's go ahead and open it. So let's see what we've got. We've got these little pull tabs. I take out the sections. Here's the doorbell itself. This looks like some different hardware, and I see a little USB charger inside there. I think you can take the battery out and charge it, but I think it does have a pretty good battery life depending on how much you actually use it. Here's the doorbell itself. It's wrapped in this plastic film. You can see the button, and it's inside of this cardboard shell. And then let's see what we've got here. It looks like maybe some mounting hardware. This looks like some kind of a device for mounting the doorbell. It's Ring branded on the side there. And then I'm assuming some instructions as well. So let's pull each of these out. Okay, so here's the doorbell. Got some little contacts for low voltage charger or low voltage power on the back here. And then I'm assuming the battery in the bottom here. Let's take a look at what else we've got. We've got some instruction manuals here. We've got some mounting hardware. They're pretty comprehensive. It looks like they're even including these drill bits in there. And we've got a level and some other kinds of equipment there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of this one. Looks like we have a mounting bracket. And then we've got this protected by Ring sticker that goes along with doorbell. So I'm going to go ahead and organize this all together. We've got the doorbell. We've got all these items inside the box. And that's the Ring doorbell unboxing.